has a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. And that's the strong front flippers. Now guys, let's talk about their swimming abilities and start with the Yeti. Sea lion generally moves at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that's their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you very much, Eddie. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed of up to 25 miles per hour.